2013 Mitsubishi Lancer. There is no power steering, and power steering is very hard to steer the vehicle. There's down there. Not sure what's going on. Have a couple lights on the dash. And as you guys see, car has been parked for the winter, and when I changed the battery, all these lights came up. ABS, tire, traction control. If I press it right over here, still won't go off. Have a airbag light, and the tires, as you see, service required. Yeah, service required for power steering. Door open. Check brakes. Handbrake does not work. Handbrake does not work at all. Low pressure tires. Somebody could help me with this car. Not sure what's going on. It makes a sound when you turn, and it's really hard, as you see. Yeah, it makes that sound. I'm not sure what that is. That makes really weird noises. Steering is hard, and it has electric steering. If somebody could tell me what the problems could be and how I can solve them, that would be great. Thank you, everybody. And again, this is a 2013 Mitsubishi Lancer.